In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Visuals2Go as a one-button communicator. Similar to those large switches that you may have seen that has one large button where you record a single message on. One-button communicators are great as an introduction to communication, particularly for students who are non-verbal and have high support needs. A one-message communicator allows you to record a single message to be used to make a request, make a comment, or get attention. You can record on the button anything from saying hello, taking turns, asking for help, or making a request for a toy or an activity. However, the issue with apps on the iPad is that it only functions with a one-finger tap and not multiple fingers. This can be an issue if a student has difficulties with pointing. The good news is that there is a way around this, in which I am about to show you. So what I would do now is I would close the Visuals2Go app, and then I'll go to Settings. And in general, there is an option if you go to Accessibility, and there's an option here called Assistive Touch. So if you click on Assistive Touch and you just turn it on. Okay, so once it's on, you can go back to the Visuals2Go app and you'll see this little icon over here, and you need to tap that icon and go to Custom, and just tap on one of these plus icons and just tap anywhere on the screen and click Save. And you just got to name the gesture. I'm just going to call it Touch, and then you just go back to the app and tap on this icon here again and tap on Custom, and now you've got a touch button which is at the top right here, and you click on that. Users can now tap the screen any way they like, whether they want to use one finger, a whole hand, or even the fist.
Hello.